Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for some practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。你好，大家好，我们都会问候嘛，对不对？
对，
就是你好 ，everybody 好。那这个月的主题呢，就是教大家怎么说最近好吗 ？How are you lately？
按旧好吗？
按旧好吗 That is the common theme this month for you to learn. How do you say How are you lately? 按旧好吗？但是呢，我们见面了之后呢，好久不见了，聊天呐，对不对？之后呢，最后还是要说拜拜，对不对？So today we should teach you phrases that you might say after you have a chat or you get together with someone. You want to say goodbye, right?
张来了
啊，对嘛，这不用你教了。
每次我都讲。
That is something that we teach every episode at the end, right? 张来了，其实很多人问，到底为什么再见叫张来了？其实客语张来了的意思是
再来玩，
再来玩，对不对？
再见哦
，Yeah，
下次再见面。
Yeah， 哦，对，when we say goodbye，sometimes in English you would say see you later，see you next time， 其实一样的意思，再见，再次见到你的面那样子嘛，对不对？所以就再见。So in Hakka, literally it really means come again and play with us again next time. Hang out with us next time. But of course, that just means goodbye. See you next time.
那海陆腔长来了，
哎，这个我还不知道呢。长来了 ，That's a different dialect of saying goodbye. All right. 其实你刚刚讲说客语是再来玩。其实中文里面也会说，哎，有空来玩啊，对不对？
对啊。
Okay, so in Mandarin, sometimes we would say, when you have time, come back again. All right? 这怎么说呢？有空来玩。
有喊张来了。
哦，有喊就是有空，然后张来了就是再来就对了哈。有喊张来了 ，That's when you have time, come hang with us. 好，那最后呢，教一个比较正式一点的哦。我们聊天聊完，然后或者说有什么事情我要先走，我就说我先回去喽。I need to go now. All right, I'm gonna go first. How do you say that?
我爱先转去喽。
我爱先转去喽。Let's review all these phrases. 再见。
张来了。
张来了。哎，先不要转台哦，我们还没结束哦。
对。
再来，有空来玩。When you have time, come hang.
有喊张来了。
有喊张来了。And finally, I need to go now. I need to go first. 我先回去了。
我爱先转去喽。
我爱先转去喽。All right. And now let's go back and review. How do you say How are you lately? 最近好吗？
按旧好吗？
按旧好吗？ And there you go. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么大家？
一起来
张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.